Are homeowners in your area upgrading to smart locks, but calling your competitors to install them? If you're not getting these high-ticket residential jobs, it's because local homeowners can't find you. Let's face it, when it comes to home security, a plain text ad just doesn't build trust. To stop the scroll and prove you're the local expert, you need proven, high-converting smart lock video ads. Video instantly builds credibility and shows customers they are in safe hands. That's exactly what you'll find at SmartLockVideos.com. They provide ready-to-run, professional marketing videos tailored specifically to get your locksmith business more smart lock installation leads. Don't know how to upload videos to your YouTube channel? Don't worry, they'll even optimize and upload your branded videos directly to your YouTube channel for you. Stop leaving money on the table. Head over to SmartLockVideos.com right now, grab your new ads, and let them get your phone ringing.